Anyone who has ever baked a soufflé has probably heard the myth that it can collapse due to loud noises. The reality? Sound vibrations aren't strong enough to affect a soufflé's delicate structure. Instead, the primary culprits are sudden temperature changes and overmixing, which can destabilize the air pockets crucial for keeping it light and airy. Achieving a perfect soufflé is about getting the rise and bake just right, not about keeping quiet. So next time you're in the kitchen, focus on your technique, not the noise, and enjoy the lovely rise of your soufflé. Have you heard of any other curious cooking myths? Share your thoughts below and let's uncover more together.